Good morning to one and all. Today I would like to start a new writing skill, that is an email. What is email? Email means electronic mail, or in short, email in short is a medium for communicating messages between a sender and a receiver anywhere in the world. This is the format of email. Let us discuss it in brief. First is from address, sender's email ID. That means hema at the rate of gmail.com. Suppose hema writes to someone. To Govinda 37 at the rate of gmail.com. So hema writes to Govinda. CC. It is about other individuals receiving the same mail with visible IDs. Next one is BCC. Other individuals receiving the same mail with invisible IDs. Next comes subject. Okay, before subject you can write date. Okay. Subject is a title or the region of writing an email. Okay. It should be in brief, not in sentence format. Write in phrase format, it's better. After subject you may start with a salutation like dear, respected, hi, etc. according to formal or informal. Next comes body. The main body contains three parts: introduction, matter in detail, and conclusion. After the main body, the ending, the closing statement should be written with regards, best regards, etc. Then, if possible, attachments, attached files with emails. If not, leave it. Next comes signature line. Your sender's name, signature, and other details of contact like email ID, etc. Look at the format example of email. See, from address or to address. After to address, subject. Subject is the region. Sick today. Homework questions. Salutation. So salutation is dear MS Holly. Miss Holly. Yes, body. Body contains either two paragraphs or three paragraphs. First paragraph is introduction. I hope you are having a nice week. I am writing to let you know that I am absent today because I am sick. Hope I will be better by tomorrow. I have a question about our homework that is due today. Is it possible for me to turn it in tomorrow when I am back? So I can also scan the pages and email them today. Please let me know which is the best. Try to avoid articles, conjunctions, etc. Next, closing. Closing should be one phrase type. Best regards, with warm regards, etc. Next, signature and your signature block. This is the format of the. Okay, the most important thing is capitalization of subjects. Okay, wherever necessary you must write capitalization, capital letter. Suppose sick today, subject starting letter should be written capital. Homework question, H should be capital. Okay, what are the important, which are the important persons in the email? People, teacher, boy, parent, according to this question. Okay, second, places, school, city, library, etc. Things, book, homework, and so idea. Actions, run, ask, need, help, etc. Adjectives, sick, easy, great. Suitable adjectives are to be written here. These are the important things. Which are the not important things here? Conjunctions like and, but, etc. Or and some prepositions and articles like a and the can be avoided. Next, let us discuss the other examples of emails salutations. You can start with the dear hiring manager, dear Professor Smith, dear board of directors, dear mom, dear dad. Okay. If they are formal, you can write colon marks after them. Dear hiring manager, colon mark means to okay. Two full stops that you say. If it is informal, you can write a comma. Dear mom, or dear dad, or dear Sophia, dear so and so. Okay. Which are formal for job applications, leaders in your company, school or community. Okay, headmasters and other people in higher positions, etc. Which are there you write salutation after colon mark. Whereas in informal, you can write a comma. Who are, okay, informals are friends, family, people you see daily or often. Sometimes teachers or professors. Let us discuss regarding other email closings. These are the suitable things. Best regards, sincerely, thank you, best, yours truly, respectfully. Okay, yours truly, respectfully can be written informal, whereas best regards, sincerely, or we you can write in informal. Okay, one more thing you must keep in your mind, that spacing is very important here. Here see, from to subject after, where you are writing your salutation, there should be one line empty. Then you can start with introduction. Introduction after, you can write main body and conclusion. There also there is an empty, okay, an empty line between the paragraphs. Next, when comes the conclusion part, conclusion also you can separate it, otherwise you can include with that, it doesn't matter. Next, closing complimentary, best regards, etc. There also empty line. After that, your signature and your other details. Okay, signature and other details there should not be empty. Okay, after closing complimentary there is an empty line. Okay, this is the format of a signature. Best regard, John Smith, so and so, and other details. Yes, once more I would like you to view it. So, from means your sender's address. Then 2 is recipient's address. Then date. Date I have not mentioned there, but here date is important. Subject of email. It should be very in brief. Then salutation. After that, body, introduction, middle and conclusion. Then regards. Yours lovingly, sincerely, something else. There in letter writing, you can write as you like. Sender's name, then the name of the sender. That's all, you can close. Thank you for